Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Holy non-farm payroll, 312,000 jobs created. Average hourly earnings rose by 0.4%. This is a hot number, but stocks did not sell off. They held ground really well. In fact, this was actually one of the better economic reports we've seen in weeks. And just the fact that we had growth in the economy, the market didn't sell off on that, but it also was waiting to see what Fed Chair Powell had to say at the panel with Bernanke and Yellen. And he exuded caution. He was flexible in rates going forward, and the market liked it. I mean, he was speaking with two rather dovish previous Fed chairs. And again, the market is just moving higher on this day. It's out above 2509. The S&P, you have to watch this level on a closing basis. If it cannot close out above there, we're likely going to see a little bit of selling, at least Sunday night into Monday. But look out for resistance. We have key resistance where it's testing right now, against the high of the day. We have major 3-star resistance above there. So watch those levels. They're on the Morning Express. Moving on to crude oil, it's trading off the highs. It's right below 48 bucks right now. What's going to be key is 47 to 47.5. It must hold this level. A move below there should encourage more selling, and that's going to affect the stock market too. So keep an eye on that crude oil. The stock market has been moving with crude more or less recently, so watch that as risk sentiment overall is what's important. The EIA number is what's brought crude back from the highs. No draw at all on the crude number, but you have those big builds we saw last night in the API number, and that's pulling crude back. No increase on the production side, estimated production. That's important though. But again, a failure to see draws and inventories is really going to be a big story here for crude, and it's not really going to allow it to move higher in recovery. Copper is recovering though, if you're looking at some of the commodities out there. So when crude started to sell off, copper started to move back up. The news out of China that we wrote about this morning on the Morning Express is key for that risk sentiment. Gold did pull back after that hot non-farm payroll number. Did not get really to the bigger support we're looking at, 1270. However, it has held that first key support, 1282. Watch that level on a closing basis. And then treasuries are pulling back too. We love treasuries over the long term, intermediate, and longer term, but we want to be patient looking for better buy opportunity. You're likely going to find it on Monday. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.